Hello everybody, this is JR. Today I'd like to show you a product, the wireless motion sensor LED light. As you can see, when I'm chopping my food, it's kind of dark. I cannot really see what's in the sink because the current LED is more than 5 years old. So today I'm gonna install what I have just bought. So here's the package. Inside there are two sensor LED lights. For each one there are two pieces. First one is a metal bar. Basically you put double-sided attachment tape to the bar. Then you put that metal bar under the cabinet. So now I have attached the metal bar on the cabinet and just place the LED light under it. The magnets will put them together. Once I turn on, it's very bright, almost 3 times brighter than my existing LED lights. Now I can see exactly what's in the sink and clean it. And this is the before and after. The difference is very significant. Another benefit of this wireless sensor LED light is actually it comes with motion sensors. As you can see, when I get close to it, it will actually light up by itself. That's pretty amazing. And one thing to keep in mind is make sure the area is actually dark enough so the light will turn on, otherwise it will not. Since the package comes with 2 LED lights, I decided to put another one just above my coffee machines. So as you can see, put the adhesive tape on the metal piece and attach the metal piece under the cabinet. And this LED light actually can be charged through USB charging cables. As you can see on this left hand side of the light, there's a port for charging. So it's very convenient. And this is the before and after for this area as well.